washer in there, and that. I'm expecting this to be one of those seals that's made out of leather. So let's get the new one and make sure it's gonna fit. Here's the new one. So it's gonna ride like that. Looks like it fits there really well. Looks like to be the right size on there as well. Now the hard part is gonna be to get this one out. So I'm just putting some grease on this. The other one came out when the camera was off. It didn't come out easily. It does appear to be rubber though, which is interesting, because the differential was not. So interesting. So this one goes on. Just added a little grease to help it find its way home. Of course, now it's all greasy and hard to get in there. I don't have a socket that is that big in standard, but 32 millimeters fits pretty good.